Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You should start on the Samsung device with an account that has parental control privileges. If you use Samsung Kids or Google Family Link, note which service controls restrictions. First, open Settings, then scroll to Digital Wellbeing or search for Parental Controls. Tap into the Parental Control app listed and choose the admin account. Once you confirm admin access, select Remove or Disable. Make sure to prepare any PIN, Samsung account password, or family link permissions before proceeding, because you will need them to fully remove controls. Now proceed to the removal flow inside the chosen app. For Samsung Kids, open the app, tap Parental Controls, enter the PIN, then choose Uninstall or Turn Off. For device-level restrictions in settings Biometrics and Security or Digital Wellbeing, revoke profiles or turn off monitoring. For Google Family Link, open the parent app, select the child, tap Manage Settings, then stop supervision and follow on-screen steps. Once done, confirm removal on the child device if prompted, and reboot the device to apply changes. Finally, verify that restrictions are gone by testing apps, browser access, and in-app purchases. Remove any leftover profiles under Settings, Accounts, and Backup, and sign out of Managed Accounts if present. If a Samsung or Google account still enforces limits, log into the account web portal and remove child links or device management entries. If something fails, troubleshooting tip: clear the parental app cache, reboot, and try removal again. If it still persists, temporarily change the child's password or contact Samsung support for a remote reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.